Good morning guys, today we've got here REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to change navigation bar from gesture to button or the opposite way. So once you want to switch, in my case gesture to button navigation, just open the settings, then find and select system, and here you will notice system navigation. And now just mark buttons. As you can see, they appeared right after you mark it. You can pick the layout, and when you wish to switch button to navigation, just mark gestures. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.